Your telephone rings, you pick it up, it's the nursing home. They tell you that grandma has a fractured hip and she's off to the hospital, but that's all they tell you. Now what do you do? My name's Justin Varughese. I just want to take a couple minutes to talk with you about what are generally called injuries of unknown origin that take place at nursing homes. So what are some of these common unexplained injuries that happen at the nursing homes? Well, oftentimes they're fractures. You'll get that call where they'll tell you that your loved one has fractured their hip or their leg or their arm or some other portion of their body, and they don't offer you an explanation. They say, we don't know how this happened. We just saw the person and the fracture was there. Well, it's unacceptable. There are things that can be done to prevent that from happening. Some other common unexplained injuries include bruises. Sometimes you'll go and you'll see a bruise on your loved one and you ask the nursing home staff and they can't tell you how it happened. Or a cut of some kind, and same type of thing. They'll have a bandage or stitches and no explanation as to what happened. Well, what is it that you can do when you're in that situation? First of all, you can insist on an investigation. You should go to the nurse that's assigned to your loved one, or to the director of nursing, or to an administrator. Let them know what your concern is. And that doesn't need to be done in an angry or acrimonious way. You can just go ahead and let them know what your concerns are and that you'd like to have an explanation and you'd like for an investigation to be done. And they should go ahead and do an investigation to try to figure out what happened. You should follow up and find out what their conclusions were, what they determined happened that caused the injuries. The other thing you can do is watch very closely. Keep an eye out for behavioral changes and things that you notice about the way that the staff interacts with the resident. Take notes if you need to remind you about the things that you've seen. Your eyes and ears are perhaps the best way to hold a nursing home accountable and make sure that your loved one gets the proper care. The other thing that you can do if you're not sure of what to do in this sort of difficult situation where there's this unexplained injury is pick up the phone and give me a call, because I handle cases like this every single day. And if you pick up the phone, give me a call. I'd love to answer your questions, talk with you, and let you know if there's anything that I can do for you. So again, my name is Justin Varughese. Thank you so much for spending a couple minutes with me.